Hello, and welcome to Crocheting with the Classics. Today I'm going to show you how to do a primrose stitch. And here we have a part of an afghan. It's got a good example of what this looks like at the end. You can see it turns out to be a very pretty stitch. And it's actually quite simple. Alright, so the first thing you do is make a chain in intervals of 3. So in this case, I've got 18 stitches here, because 18 divided by 3 is 6. So, once I've got my intervals of 3 for however long I want it to be, I'm going to go to the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. There's my third chain. And I'm going to insert my hook here and single crochet, and then chain 2 and single crochet in that same stitch. Then I'm going to skip 2, 1, 2, insert my hook, single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. And I'm just going to go down the line repeating this until I've got 2 stitches left. So, skip my 2 stitches, there we go, 2, and single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. Now, with the 2 stitches left, I'm going to skip this stitch and go to the very end one. And in it, I'm going to make a half double crochet. So, I yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through all 3 loops. So, now I've got my base. And the next thing I'm going to do is, in order to turn, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So, there's my 3 chain. Now, in the chain 2 space on each one, I'm going to put 3 double crochets. So, here's my chain 2 space. 1, 2. Oops. There we go. And 1, 2. Alright, so there's my 3 double crochets. And I'm going to go to each chain 2 space, down to the end, and do the same thing. Just double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And for my last one, 1, 2, 3. Now, in this little end part here, I'm going to put 1 double crochet. So, I'm going to go right in here. There we go. And 1 double crochet. Now, with these, every time you're turning on the row after the double crochets, you chain 2. every time you're turning on the row with the single crochets, you chain 3. So I've chained 2, and now what I'm going to do is go back across here, and in the middle double crochet of each thing, I'm going to put my single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. And as you can see, this can actually go very quickly once you got the hang of it. And then at the end of this one, just like last time, I'm going to take and do a half double right here. So pull through all 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And then I would go back across and do my double crochets, and at the end I'd do a double crochet. So basically you're just repeating rows 2 and 3 every time. And you can make a whole blanket like this. In fact, this is going to be a temperature blanket when I'm done with it. So it should look pretty good, I think. Anyway, there is a written out pattern in the description for this video. And thank you for being with me. I hope this was helpful to you. Have a lovely afternoon. Goodbye.